Oh, he's just hanging out on the roof.
I'm actually really worried about moving now because I don't want to splat it.
Oh, and they're all coming down now.
They're all tired of... Oh, look at that monkey hanging on its mum.
Oh, and there's another one.
Oh, look.
Mummy, stop so they can jump on our car, that one.
To be honest,
Oh, it goes for that car. Why doesn't
Alex, I don't want it to get, I don't want to actually
Look at them all.
run them over, and I
Mummy,
certainly
stop.
don't want to,
Oh, yes, it's coming.
Awesome.
They're both coming.
this is a bit of a worry, to be honest. Look, they love the wing wipers.
They're coming, another one.
Oh, there goes one. Are we gonna get it? Oh, we've got about 4 monkeys on our hood right now. Oh, well, I'm gonna get a picture and hope you guys like